From the clattering keys of typewriters to the sleek, responsive touchscreens of today's devices, the transformation of personal computing has been nothing short of revolutionary. Early typewriters, with their mechanical complexity and limited functionality, gave way to the advent of personal computers in the late 20th century, marked by the introduction of graphical user interfaces and the mouse. The rise of the internet further propelled this evolution, enabling unprecedented connectivity and access to information. In recent years, the proliferation of smartphones and tablets has put powerful computing capabilities into the hands of millions, driven by advancements in processing power, miniaturization, and user-friendly interfaces. Today's touchscreens, with their intuitive multi-touch gestures and vibrant displays, represent the latest chapter in this ongoing journey, offering a seamless blend of productivity, entertainment, and communication, all while hinting at future innovations like augmented reality and AI integration.